Hello everyone, welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So today we have three job openings from two different companies. So in this video, we'll be discussing what are the eligibility criteria, what is the package available, everything in detail. So watch this video full to know about it and make your registrations at the earliest before the link get expired. Okay. So if you like this video, don't forget to like this video. And if you're new to our channel, please to subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon to get the notifications at the earliest, because these kind of hiring videos, the link to register for that will be only active for some time. Like if the applications are saturated, they will be withdrawing the link. So before that, you have to make registration. So you should get the notifications at the right time. So that's what we are telling you to subscribe our channel and also enable the bell icon too. Okay, so I think it's very clear. So let's move on to the video. The link to apply for all the jobs will be there in the description. So before getting into job, that I would like to mention something that we provide to you. That is a live coding classes. There is nothing without coding. You know that online assessment, the second most important stage in online assessment is obviously the coding. So we have a live coding online classes which is held by Soumya ma'am. So for all exams it will be held like TCS, Wipro, Infosys. So everyone is coming to the second phase of hiring, so this will definitely help. You want to make your preparations and enough time for revision, everything, if you really wish to crack the examination. Okay, so it's a 1 month duration course. It's going to start by 10th of June, and access to class recordings, everything will be available under this package. The live classes and also recordings will be available. So whole of this package is available to you at just rupees 249. So make your registrations at the earliest. You will be getting individual attention. All your doubts can be cleared at once. Okay, so that's about the courses. So if you wish, you can go to the link in the given in the description. It will direct you to buy the course. Okay, so yes, moving on to the job. So first we have an opening from software development engineer. So coming to the basic qualifications, a bachelor's degree in computer science or equivalent combination of technical education and work experience, 0 to 1.5 years of software development experience. Computer science fundamentals in object-oriented design, computer science fundamentals in data structure, computer science fundamentals in algorithm design, problem solving, and complexity analysis. Okay, so their basic qualification is degree in computer science or related education. And if you're from other branch, not computer science too, you must have the technical education. You must have something related to this, and it is very fundamentals. Computer science fundamentals is what they're asking for. So if you're from other branch and you have some technical education done through certification course or in your syllabus itself, everything is fine. So if you have something like that, you can apply. It's for 0 to 1 years of experience, and preferred qualifications will be excellent verbal and written communication skills, ability to work well with people and be both highly motivated and motivating, ability to handle multiple competing priorities in a fast-paced manner, and web services and web application or services development experience developing distributor scalable systems and high volume transaction applications in 24/7 environment. So I think it's very clear regarding the preferred qualifications too. They want you to be optimistic, they want you to be determined, and they want you to handle the technology what they're using forward for. Okay, so this is about the opening. And coming to the package details, they used to provide 3 plus LPA, that is 3.2, 3.3, that range of LPAs for this position for the freshers. Okay, so now to apply for this, you can go to this apply now link. And if you have already created your profile under Amazon jobs, then you can use the same profile by making necessary modifications. Else you can go for you can just register yourself by filling all your given details, your resume, everything. So you can see some fields here, and I did mention about the location of this job. It's in Bengaluru. Okay, so currently it will be work from home, obviously, and when everything is fine or everything is just going back to the normal, they will be calling you to the the particular location. Okay, now though you have to go for these many sections which is given in the left side. So resume, you have to upload your resume, and if you have already uploaded, then go for replacing it every time you upload, because it gives a good impression that you are updating your resume then and there for every job. Okay, so then contact information, you can see you have to give all your contact information. your address, name, phone number, details, everything you have to provide. Then after then you can go for the general questions. So general questions you'll be having related to the company, like a conversation with the company. Are you willing to relocate? You can go, and preferred work locations you can give among these, and how do you hear about this role? You can give whatever it is, and how like when you give the options, you have to go for the explanation next here. Okay, then save and continue the section. Then you will be having next sections where you have to update your work history and skill history. So if you're 0 to years of experience, then you can go for that, like select among these. And please provide the name of your current employer followed by list of past employers. Okay, you can go for nil if you don't have anything to give there. And please list your primary and secondary technical domain skills, everything. So this is approximately the 4 step. Then you can go for education. Education's in the sense like your high school education, higher secondary education, your graduation, if you're a postgraduate, that thing, everything. And work eligibility, you'll be going through analyzing through these what is the things happening today, like with this job. And acknowledgement will be your acknowledging the company, like checking the inbox and accepting the terms and conditions of this company. And voluntary equal employment opportunities, self-identification, something like your gender, everything will be acknowledged there. And voluntary self-identification of military status, that is, they have a special consideration for military too. That is, if you are having a military family background, like your parents are military and something like that, you can give all the details are as there. Then as review and submit, just don't randomly click submit, you just review your application, because if there is something, some mistakes may happen. So if something is there, it's a chance to rectify that. Once you submit to the particular opening, editing that options will be there, but it will not be considered that good. Okay, so just review and submit for the opening. So this is about the software engineer position in Amazon. So now let's move on to the other, which is digital content associate in Amazon. So coming here, you can see the basic qualifications like good communication, sound knowledge of computer, MS Office related skills, Microsoft Excel knowledge is mandatory, like VLOOK, pivot, basic formula and knowledge in shortcut keys, basic analytical and logical reasoning skills, performance various tasks related to the content for video catalog quality. Now the preferred qualifications will be qualifications necessary for the jobs are communication skills, knowledge of video streaming market, awareness of devices such as Fire Stick, Fire TV, Apple TV, Roku TV, etc. So they don't need any specific graduation type. They need to handle these many things. So if you are good at that, then definitely you can apply for this position. And the location is Tamil Nadu. Okay, so we can go to the apply now link. The same form will be there. You can submit your profile under this. Okay, so this is about the opening in Amazon. So one is a technical job and one is a non-technical job. Depending on your interest criteria and your qualification, you can choose which way to apply. And we have another one opening in Myntra. So there it's associate, that is marketing analytics. So you can see the roles and responsibilities, manager and publish daily marketing dashboards and MIS, take in report requests from team and help set up reports, be hands-on data collecting and running insights, etc. Analyze a wide variety of data as required to solve a business problem, media execution data, internal transaction and clicks, train data and all data from Google Analytics, with the time pick skills in data studios and Google Ads, Data Hub, etc. in GMP stack. Now the responsibilities will be creation of daily MIS reports and dashboards, published marketing dashboards on MIS and Excel, working along with core team on month and event-based planning, analysis of event and brand marketing campaigns and reporting key insights, learnings and misses once campaigns are over, create data-based recommendations for campaign managers to optimize campaigns, working with BI team for data collection and extraction of first-party data, data and insights representation to stakeholders within and outside the team, competition, analytics, and tracking. So coming to the qualifications and experience, minimum qualification is graduation or any batch, any like is fine. And comfortable with large sets of data, advanced Excel skills. SQL is nice to have, but not a limitation. Articulation, multitasking with efficiency, nice to have these many skills. I mean, this is not mandatory, but still it will be nice to have, like added advantage. experience for building and maintaining MIS dashboards, similar role in past either at an agency or analytics firm or platform or brand is a plus. Understanding of digital functions is a plus. Okay, so these are things they are looking forward for experienced and freshers too. And freshers, they wanted to they get the work done. That's all. You're not looking like specific about the experience criteria and the qualification and batches, any batch type. And you can see here, apply for this job. So this is the form you have to fill to apply for this job. And coming to the resume, go for PDF and docs format, well customized resume. I have mentioned about the resume tips or the like mistakes that you're making everything in my previous videos. Just go and watch if you haven't done it. And cover letter, you can attach the cover letter, portfolio as applicable. Please let us know if you have been open to relocate. You can select among that and your total experience in years. Then after that, you can go for submit application. Okay, so this is the simple steps that you have to go for job application for associate in Myntra. So coming to the package details here in Myntra, it's also 3 plus LPA, 3.1, 3.2 plus LPAs in Myntra, estimated from the last year recruitment. And coming to the digital content associate too, it's approximately same. So now the average like minimum fresher salary is ranging from that. So this is what they provided initially, and the promotion like as you go, like if you're a fresher after the promotion period or after 1 year's experience, you'll be having greatly high because these companies are brands actually. So when you get into these kind of companies, you will be having a personal growth as well. So just differentiate one thing, you have to go for technical or non-technical job depending upon two criteria, that is your graduation or your work experience or your field of interest. Okay, so education, work experience or field of interest, these two are two different criteria where you can choose to start your career. So plan yourself and go for that. So if you have any doubts from here, you can let us know in the comment section. And if you have any suggestions regarding the videos that we present before you, that also let us know in the comment section. So until I come up with another video regarding so much of opportunities available around, thank you everyone. Everybody stay safe and stay tuned to online study for you.